Toronto Travel Guide. Canada's Wonderland, Canada's largest theme park, located 40 minutes outside of downtown Toronto in Vaughn, is home to Splashworks, a 20-acre water park that includes the Plunge, Supersoaker, the lazy river, Pumphouse and Canada's largest wave pool. Ideally, you'll arrive at opening as the water park and theme park as a whole gets very busy most every day of the summer. Cloudy, hazy or even rainy days can present the best opportunities to enjoy the place without a major crowd. Splashworks opens at the end of May through Labor Day weekend in September. Admission to Splashworks is included with your Canada's Wonderland ticket purchase. Splashworks admission is not available separately. The best price for Canada's Wonderland Day passes are available online. If you want to take all the work out of getting to Canada's Wonderland, consider buying through Viator, where your pass includes transportation.